be getting on our way to go pick up said delivery.
Okay.
We're headed to Maine, so I think that's about as north and east as we're ever going to get.
We're going to Maine?
Yeah.
Oh,
And,
okay.
Yeah.
Sky, you're such a little old lady.
Guess what? We're crossing another border. The Massachusetts.
Did you see Massachusetts?
You are now entering Massachusetts.
I said the Massachusetts.
We just got through the Massachusetts state border, and we just stopped over at like some service area to collect the magnet that we have been collecting. Oh, thank you.
Entering Fenway Park. I like that one though the most so far.
Yeah.
Because it's park. Like you're like a Bostonite.
Uh-huh. Okay, let's get that. Wait, it doesn't say Boston on it.
No, it doesn't. But Fenway Park, like anybody would know that that's Boston.
It again?
Greetings from Wicked Awesome, Boston, Massachusetts.
There you go. And Jeremiah got this patch that says Wicked Smart.
to the state of New Hampshire.
What did you just say?
The state of New Hampshire.
Oh, okay. I thought you said nude hamster. I thought you said nude hamster instead of New Hampshire.
Welcome to New Hampshire.
Yep.
There, okay. There. Ugh, smell that tar.
Huh?
Smell that tar. Yeah. You have that one, or this one, or those.
Cigarettes?
Blue there.
This must be the main bridge.
This is for like, is it?
And now we're in Maine.
Yeah.
The Maine state.
The main.
All other states are secondary. This one is the main one.
You got me a Popeyes pie.
Strawberry cheese pie.
And we got the master.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow. Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul. Don't drench your desire in what you can't control. We fly, try so hard to get there, and we might be lost but not forever. There's things in life you simply need to know, but sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, the end, the end. Don't say you're ridiculous, you're not even close. Don't wish for indifference, you're not one of those. We fall, but we always rise up through it all. We get a little wiser. There's things in life you simply need to know, but sun and rain and trust in letting go.